Hey guys, welcome back to Gymnast Girls. Today it's going to be a no edit, no pause video. We're going to be giving Callie here a bath. So, like I said, this is going to be a no pause, no edit video. So sorry if it's a really bad quality, but let's get started. Okay, so that means there's going to be no intro. Like, there's no intro usually on my videos. But first of all, before I get started, get down. Just trying to jump out, you guys. I gotta find somewhere good to set up my phone so you guys can see. Perfect, you guys. Callie Mae, stop it. So you can't see her because maybe I'll just bring you guys down here so you can see. Okay, so you can't see her because the bathtub is high, but I almost fell in. Let's try to make this video as good quality as we can for a no pause, no edit video. So this might be a pretty long video, guys, and I'm so sorry about that in advance. You can skip ahead 3 parts if you want to, because I will be giving her some dental dog stuff as well, which I don't have in here right now. So first I'm going to get her wet. Let me get her wet. Like whenever you get a dog's head wet, you gotta make sure you close their eyes so you don't get water in their eyes. Oh my god. Come here, Callie. I'm completely soaked, even down here. Come here, Callie. Even her chin. She's hairy, you guys, too. So. I'm gonna get her chin. Okay. So then, gotta get your chin wet. Okay. So then, let me just take. Her towel. Sit it right here where this wet is. So that scared me. What the heck that was. Then I'm just gonna take this dog shampoo, put some on my hands and some on her back, just to make sure it gets extra soapy and she doesn't wash, and scrub her like so. I'm going to do some for her back, I'm going to get some for her head, for her belly and stuff. I'm going to get more for every part of her body. Alright, Callie. Your back's almost done, girl. Oh, this hurts, you guys. I don't know. 3 minutes, basically. Okay. Now, second thing that I get is her head. Get that, Callie Mae. Let's get your head not shaved. What crap is wrong with you? So her head is the hardest part to get soapy. So their heads don't really get that soapy as their backs do. So you really gotta like wash them. And like, no dogs get hurt while I give them a bath. Like, I love giving dogs a bath, and I literally have another dog to bathe, so I'm going to be doing a part 2 on this video. And I'm going to be doing the other dog. The next thing I'll do is wash her stomach, which is literally the hardest part, you guys. Good job. Now it's not the hardest part for her because she's literally doing this. Good job, Callie. Good girl. I think your belly's good enough. Next thing I'll do is get her feet. See her feet. First foot. Let me see. Your other foot. Good girl. Come here. Give me this foot. Just gonna give me this foot. Now I've got to get her tail wet again. So I can get her tail, and then I'll be done. And this only took about 4 minutes. That's good. Ready. She's done. So now it's time to rinse her off. And then we'll be done, Callie. You gotta shake. Come there, baby. Give her a break for a second. Okay, come here. Let me get done here. Kelly, you gotta come here. If you wanna be done, you gotta let me do this. Finish rinsing you off. Because you can't be done if you're not all the way rinsed off, right? Water on her chin. Do one more squirt over her whole body. Pour it over her back. And then off. Then the next thing that I will do is, hold on, girl. Let me set this camera up here now. First of all, let me dry it because, like, so then I'll sit here and I'll dry her off. Don't you dare. Just trying to jump out, you guys. Okay, so I'll take a towel and I'll put it like this. Put it on my chin. Get her. Hold her. Then on this side, right behind this side, and hold her like a baby. And then I decided to do a no pause, no edit video, guys, because I thought it would be fun to see how high quality my videos are. Smells so good, I can't even hear nobody. And that's from the Watch Crew. Go show them some love. They're amazing YouTubers and they're so funny, so let's get her dried on. So I'll sit her on the ground and I will put the towel over her and just dry her off all good. Dry. I bet she feels so much better, you guys. Okay, so the next thing I'll do, take this dog brush, just brush her out. Ah, yeah, Kelly May. And then, part 1 of giving the dog a bath is complete. I have one more dog to do because I did 2 yesterday, but I did not film them. So next we're going to be doing Molly. Yeah, love you guys.